Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unschool Activities. My name is Shriknita. Today I am going to show you an easy craft. This craft is a butterfly. You no need any glue for this craft. So we are going to make it very simple. We need one color paper. I am using pink color paper. You can use any color paper like green, black or red color. You need a color thread similar to the color paper you took. So I took pink thread and the pink paper, and one more important thing is having one scissors. So these are the three ingredients we need for this easy craft. Now let us keep these inside. Now take your color paper and fold it into the between, like this. You fold it into the between. Now after folding it to the center, we are gonna cut it. So cut it near the fold. So cut equally on the two sides without any hurry. Now I got two divided papers. Now these mold it into a square. And cut the remaining rectangle pieces that are left here. You can cut these two papers at a time. So one paper is left. Now throw this aside. Now we got two perfect squares. Let us take one square. Now fold this square into the center as shown in this video. So if you see, I have folded this into the center as you see in this clip. Now take this paper and fold and cut it into the center of the square such that we get two rectangles. Now we are gonna do foldings with this paper. Be careful that the foldings you do will be very exactly, because if you do one folding wrong also, the butterfly will be ruined and you will not get the exact shape of the butterfly. So please pay attention to these foldings and fold it very carefully. So now let us start the foldings. Are you ready for paying the attention on these foldings? So let us start. First, we had cut the papers right into the center. Now take these papers. So if you see, I got my paper. Now fold it first into the center. And now I folded it right. Don't cut it. Wait. Now fold those edges corners as you seen in this video. Fold these into the center on the two sides. Repeat the same process on the either sides of the rectangle paper. Now fold it into the center. You no need to attach glue here. If you attach glue, you will also not get a proper one. Now take this wing here and attach it to it. Now this process, while turning to the other side, just fold it into the center such that you will get like this neat folding. Repeat the same process and make another one which is a slight smaller size than this one. So let me show you. I had made two. One is thicker and one is thinner. So two sizes. My two are ready. Let us make the top with one and the bottom with another one. Now take this to this side. Now fold it towards the center. Both the sides should be folded in the center part. Now if you pull it, these sides which are folded into the center, make sure you will get your foldings like this. Now take this and fold it into the center, that you get a pretty heart shape. So make this with the another piece also. First folding in the center on the both sides, next pulling it. So we got two. One is for the upper part and one is for the bottom part. Fold the second one also in the same process into a pretty heart shape. So two are ready, right? Now keep these aside. Now take a thread of your color. If you keep a single thread, you may get it loose, so do it in 2-3 folds and use this thread such that it is nice and fat and it holds the papers nicely and tightly. So if you see, I had folded my thread in this much thickness. Then the original thread is this thickness. You can know by seeing how much fat I did by seeing in this video clip. So this is the, you can't even see this, but this is the what I made. Now for tying, we will gonna use this fat thread, not the thin thread, because the thin thread couldn't tie them. No, we will take our papers. Now tie the top and bottom and the bottom in the center. Fold these two things like this, two papers, and in the center tie a knot with using this thread. Make sure you tie neatly such that they won't get any tear or collapsed. So adjust it before cutting into a nice shape. So I had tied the knot. Now I'm gonna cut these X's that are in here. So these X's will be cut off into the dustbin, and we got a nice X shape, right? Now pull them further such that you will get a pretty shape of those petals. Now cut it and pull it further to get a beautiful butterfly shape. If you see, our butterfly is ready. You can cut it further, attach it so that it looks like a butterfly. So if you see a butterfly is ready beautifully, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and school activities if you like this craft, and post down your photos how had you got this butterfly. Bye.